वेदांतेषु यमाहुरेक पुरुषः व्याप्य स्थितं रोदसी यस्मिन्नीश्वर इत्यनन्य विषया शब्दो यथाकाक्षरः अंतर्यस्य मुमुक्षुभिर्नियमित प्राणादिभिर्मित्यते सस्थाणु स्थिर भक्ति योग सुलभो निःश्रेयसायास्तु वह। उस निश्रेयस की प्राप्ति जो होती है वह अभ्यास से होती है। जैसा कि कहा गया है कि यह अभ्यास का प्रारंभ बालपन में ही प्रारंभ होता है। ब्रह्मचर्य, गृहस्थ, वानप्रस्थ और सन्यास, इन कालों में विभक्त जो भारतीय जनमानस है, भारतीय सामाजिक परिदृश्य है, उसी में एक अभिनव योगदान देते हुए हमारे संस्कृत महाविद्यालय, संस्कृत विद्यालय अपनी महती भूमिका को प्रदर्शित करते हैं। वह बचपन में ही उन संस्कारों का बीजारोपण कर देते हैं जो सामाजिक रूप में परिपक्व होकर वट वृक्ष की तरह भारतीय संस्कृति के आधार बनते हैं, उसे प्राण वायु देने वाले पोषक बनते हैं। इसी क्रम में मैं दोनों ही संस्थाओं जिनके सानिध्य में हम यह जानवी का लोकार्पण कर रहे हैं, पत्रिका का लोकार्पण कर रहे हैं, वह संस्था जगदीश नारायण ब्रह्मचर्य आश्रम, आदर्श महाविद्यालय लगमा तथा जानवी पत्रिका का परिचय देने के लिए मैं सादर आमंत्रित करती हूँ डॉक्टर हेमंत ठाकुर जी, जो आंग्ल विभाग के आचार्य हैं।
Scholar participants of today's program, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to this pride campus devices of Jagdish Narayan Brahmacharya Adarsh Mahavidyalaya, Lagma, Mandarpur, Darbhanga. Honorable sirs, it gives me immense pleasure to tell you something about this institution. The institution was established in 1964 by a saint, Jagdish Narayan Brahmachari ji. It is quite unknown to us that who he was actually and where from he came here. Anyway, after visiting several places, he came to this place and found that this is the most appropriate place for such type of institution which shall be imparting Sanskrit education among the children of this locality. Thereafter, the institution was affiliated to Kameswar Dharma City, and thereafter it became a constituent of Manak Santhana Vikas Bharat till 1995. Since 1995 to 2019, Rashtriya Sanskrit Sansthan has been conducting this university, this college, and the prime purpose of this institution is to impart quality education among the children of the region of the locality. As we know very well that so far the traditional language, the ancient language, Sanskrit, which is supposed to be the mother of all languages, it has its own flavor, own fragrance, and the disciples, the students who got education from this college, wherever they have gone, they have spread the real fragrance of Sanskrit education. So many people have been graduated, post-graduated, and have got PhD, that is Vidya Bharati from this institution, and they are highly posted, and they are also doing their work. I mean to say that they are also imparting education, especially the Sanskrit education, wherever they are at present. The Honorable Chairman Professor Shashinath Bhaji, who has been the principal of this institution for over a decade. And at present, he is the chairman of the management committee of this college. I would like to tell that so far his achievement is concerned. He is undoubtedly an eminent scholar in Sanskrit and a very fine gentleman, very popular, and we are proud of him. The members of teaching and non-teaching staff of this college are obliged to him because time to time he has been giving his value advice for the progress, for the development of this college. The present principal of this college, Professor Sadanand Bhaji, we are proud of him that his eminence, his scholarly works, his qualifications, everything is really praiseworthy. And he is not only the principal of this college, truly speaking, he is our guide and guardian. And since he got the charge of principal of this college, he has been trying his level best for the progress of this institution, and we have assured him that we are always ready to render our best service for the progress of the institution. Now, the words seem to be insufficient to praise him, but whatever he is, no doubt, we are quite hopeful, quite confident that if his efforts continues, then the college shall reach the climax and it shall be really a great institution as it has been. And in future, in coming days, people shall be much more benefited from it. Apart from this, I need to say that the e-journal, Janvi, that is to be inaugurated, it has its own importance. I think it is the first e-journal in Sanskrit, not only in India, I think all over the world. And it contains the research artifacts given by eminent scholars from different regions, different states, and even countries. The purpose of this journal is to impart, to give power to the Sanskrit, especially the language spoken Sanskrit, so that the maximum number of students can be benefited from this. Moreover, as it has got UGC listed and it has been very much useful for the research scholars to give their articles and get benefit in shaping their career. The main flavor, the main characteristic features of this e-journal is that it has been started in 1991, and since that it has been inaugurated at different locations, and this time we are proud to say that it is to be inaugurated by Professor Asham Ratne, the eminent professor of social studies in Nalanda, in the University of Colombo. And not only this, he has been a visiting professor of different universities. Apart from it, truly speaking, I don't know much more about him, but whatever I know, He is widely known for his scholarship, for his talent. And moreover, the other participants who have been linked with us on the digital line, we are also proud of them. And it is really a great pleasure for me all that we have been in contact of such eminent scholars of the world. They have been highly posted in different departments, and their participation is really a matter of great pleasure and pride for me all. With these words, I conclude myself and hope that our honorable principal, Professor Saransh Haji, along with the help of other persons, shall be conducting, shall be organizing such type of programs in coming way that shall be much more encouraging, motivating, catalyzing for the dear children, dear aspirants of this college and the people of this area. With these words, I conclude myself. Once again, I thank one and all who have been participating in this program. Thank you very much.